YT. I'm back with another vid. Got a 87 SS Monte Carlo. Gonna get this old G6 roof put in. So right now I'm just gonna cut the skin down, trim it down the sides. Go ahead and get all that good. There it goes right there. My bad. Finna go ahead and get this thing together, man. Got a late start today, but we're gonna get to it. Nice clean whip. See, right now she marked up with nothing. And I'm about to get ready and go in on her. So y'all just hold tight till I turn the video back on. I'm gonna show you what I got going. Take this headline out real quick and trim this sides. Trim it down the sides. So y'all just stay rocking with me. Cut y'all back on in a minute. Pull the skin on up, y'all. Still got a little glue attached to it. Let me go on the inside and pull it on out. The sun been baking on it, so that roof a little hot. That roof a little hot. It's still attached to this one, cause it ain't cut. It ain't cut right now. There we go. Let's see, can we get it from up top? Normally I have some gloves on. I cut myself numerous of times. Alright. Got this skin removed. It's hot too. So now I just gotta cut these old brace bars out. And I know I probably gotta do a little extra trimming in the inside. But yeah, got that thing cut, got that hole cut. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I get to the next step. This Monte Carlo is going down. Alright, as you can see, I got that skin sitting up in there. Just doing a little test fit. Now I'm about to get ready to draw my magic line, magic marker line, so I can know how much to grind and weight on, so I can, get it cleaned up for the welding. I'm gonna have this down to bare metal. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have this down to bare metal and this down to bare metal. This right here to bare metal and skin to bare metal. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get the porta jack it up so it can reinforce the framing of it while I weld it in, so it stays in place, so it won't flex. And yeah, man, we rocking and rolling, man. You might as well say this car knocked out. Probably like, if I can call it, probably like 2 more hours of work done to be done. That's how this car be done and ready to go to the paint. But like I said, I'm starting on that one probably early in the morning. I didn't get a good start this morning because I had to take the kids to school and had to buy another grinder. It had went out on me. One grinder that I had since like 2017. So I've been doing these roofs a while now. But it managed to let me, do a few cars or whatnot. Let y'all see that. I don't know what the lighting is looking like, but yeah. Real clean look. But yeah, man, I'm finna get ready to sign out. Oh yeah, there goes another panoramic that I had did in the wagon right there. I didn't get that much content on that one, what I did, but it was on another phone, and my kid broke it, and he getting the interior did in this one. So yeah, so this one that I done a while back. Roof out of Audi. big long roof. Same roof I had in my Parisian. But yeah, let me go ahead and get to it, y'all. I'm finna get ready to go and get this thing down to bare metal, and then I'm gonna run off and go get the kids from school. And we're gonna get a fresh start tomorrow, weld, and then drop the roof on in there. And then we're gonna weld that in too. So I say about a good Wednesday I should be done with both of them. Y'all just hold tight. At this point, yup. We back this morning, y'all. Yeah, you get one in there too, yup. They're gonna take up the whole. They're gonna take up the whole roof right there. He told me don't start on this one yet, so I was gonna break this one down and gonna get to it, but I just started in the morning. I still gotta find them a harness for that one. Somebody in the yard took the harness. I guess they ain't want me to take the roof. I still got the roof. I'm gonna go find another harness. Yep. Most important part, thinking you ain't gonna get it.
Hell, nigga ain't gonna want it because it ain't together.
Right.
It don't make difference because motherfuckers make one.
You might, you sure right. Yeah, you see. First thing in the morning, back at it. And we are welding in this roof on this SS. Up, as you can see.
It was what?
Getting this thing together, man. Putting a couple of tacks on it just to put something on there, just to put a little something on there. I was gonna stick the glass on, but I might just go on here and tack the whole thing in. I was gonna try to see what it's looking like. But I did the measurements. The measurements came out pretty good, so I'm gonna go with that. I ain't gonna chase my tail.
I didn't question about a homework this week, but I know I'm gonna take it.
Yeah, I see this thing, man.
When I pick up
6'2" in here.
if you own somebody,
Go another bad Cutlass. About to get ready to drop. 79. Bad not MC, but Z28.
I told her now that phone call too much for everybody.
Yeah, you see. I ain't working on no 305 car, man. Can't tell what brand heads them is, cause you know what's going on with that. So, gonna get ready and go ahead and go and lay the rest of these tacks on here. And just go and do my do. Yes, sir. Y'all stay locked and loaded, man, to the next vid. Now I cut y'all back on. One touch, baby. Alright. Just got out the MCSS. On over here to this 79 Cutlass. This could be a 1980 or 79. Let's see what front cap it got. I don't know, y'all. Y'all tell me, jump down in the comments and let me know what year this is. It's about just looking at this front cap. I'll let y'all see the tail lights. Y'all jump down in the comments, let me know what year this is. Alright, what I got going on now, I'm about to go ahead and get my measurements for this skin. I already got it trimmed down to what I want. I just gotta cut this off. Yeah, I just gotta cut this off. So I'm gonna do that when I get through doing this. But I really don't have to though. So I'm doing the skin inside the car. Alright, so I'm about to get the measurements on it. I already took the headliner out. Headliner looked like it was already done, so it came right on out. It was real soft and hanging and stuff, so you know it's gonna have to get done. But look at that dash right there. It's like a new dash. And every car I've been working on, man, been having that thing in it. Hold on 1 second. Every old school I've been working on, been having that thing in it. AC. Try to get up in there. Let me see if I can. Nah. Yeah, I'm trying to get a good vid, y'all. The sun just won't let up. But like as I said, every car that I've been doing lately been having that thing in it. Got this 6-pack intake. But yeah, I'm about to get to it, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and do these measurements because I got to run off to go get my kids, and I'm about to get back started on this in the morning. And I'm gonna work on the projects that I got at the house. I got 2 projects I'm trying to finish. You know, that's the ones y'all gonna see. Y'all seen in the previous video, in the previous earlier part of the video, that short bed and that for the Cutlass. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get this thing taken care of. Go ahead and do the measurements. And well, I already got my measurements. I'm gonna do my outline and get everything together so I can go ahead and get this thing ready to get cut out in the morning. So y'all just hold tight while I do what I do, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Got that top out. We gotta cut these old braces out real quick. Cut the braces out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I might take the skin with me because I gotta go. And I might go and skin it at home, so when I come back, all I gotta do is grind this down. I know I ain't gonna have time to grind this down. It take like a good 20 minutes to do. Get it real nice and clean and bare metal. But oh yeah, real in the field, man. Ain't no turning back now. She got head damage. She in surgery right now. Oh yeah. Man, y'all hold tight, man, while I take these braces out and I guess cover it up in the morning. And gonna get to it first thing in the morning, man. I'm gonna come out here early so I can go ahead and weld this one in, put it in, and then get it wired up. And so y'all just hold tight, man. I'm finna get ready to go and do my do. Y'all see that thing right there? Look at them roots pipe peeping in the back. So yeah, y'all just hold tight, man. Cut y'all back on in 1 minute. All right, YT, we back on this 79 Cutlass. Hold on, let me get this mask down. Yeah, I'm back. So what I did on this one, I ain't filmed as soon as I got here this morning. Had to finish some little issues and stuff. But I grinded this out already, and had to do some little extra trimming in the inside to get this roof to fit up in here. Cause we getting this roof came out of Jeep Cherokee. So yeah, 79 Cutlass with a 2018 Jeep Cherokee roof. Excuse my French. There it is right there. So I'm about to get ready to get this thing fitted up here so I can go ahead and get the welding. And they always say safety first, man. The grinder kicked back on me. Got that old hand. Tried to let me see what the car feeling right now. All this grinding I'm doing to it. But yeah, I already grinded my skin up top, and I grinded there. It's just covered with dust right now. So I'm about to put that in, and I'm about to go ahead and get the body jacks and jack it all the way up, get it and fit it in how I want it. Make sure the measurements lining up like I need to, and we about to go in on this one. Yeah, buddy. But yep, I'm gonna cut y'all back on in 1 minute, man. As soon as I get through, I'll turn y'all on when I get it fitted up there. And still got the G6 roof down there about to get put in the SS. I just was trying to wire it up before I put it in, because I got one at the house. I wired it up, man, and it ain't kicking back. So I'm going by my buddy's house today and pick that one up that he got. He already had one on hand, so I'm gonna pick that one up so I won't have to deal with that. I really don't like the G6 roof just because of that reason right there. They always seem to go bad. Got to keep the maintenance up on them. But yeah, about to get this thing in here. So y'all just hold tight while I do what I do. YT. Alright, it's that 79 cut dog. Got the roof just sitting up there. I still got to trim some in the back. I got to drop the roof and still trim some in the back so it can sit flush. But I put it on tilt. So as you can see, that thing is in there. So y'all just hold tight, man. I'm gonna cut y'all on in the morning when I get here and show y'all how that thing look. I gotta go to the yard too. I gotta find a harness for it so I can get that thing hooked up to the car. But yeah, y'all see it, it's in there. I'll cut y'all back on in the morning, man. I gotta go take this regular motherfucker to the house and try to figure this out. Hate these G6 roofs. It's the fourth one I got this week, and they all had the same problem. So it is what it is, man. Yeah, got my son with me. He finna go ahead and help me take this to the car. And finna call it a day. But I'm signing out for right now, y'all. Y'all stay tough. Alright, YouTube, I'm back. And it's all, I guess this closes out the video, man. I'm done. Only thing I gotta do is just run the wire for this one right here. Cause I didn't have the wire. Well, I had all the wires, but someone in the yard, they took the little harness that connect to the buttons or whatever. So, but yeah, I just want y'all to see that thing is done. This one will be done, wired up tomorrow. Ain't gonna take nothing about 20 minutes. But got that. Got this old SS. Got him good and operating. The G6 roof in it. I would have been done, but I had some problems after the G6 roof. I had actually bought 2 of them, and both of them didn't work, and this was my 3rd one. And man, this worked out pretty good for me. So you just got to get the headliner done and stuff like that. But other than that, man, she done and out the way. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get to the house, man, so I can go ahead and get this video dropped. But like I say, keep going strong. One Touch Customs, baby. We here. We on the move. So I'm saying y'all back in 1 minute, man. Y'all just holler at me. One.